Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 18, OV 122. अगाध साई बाबांच्या लीला किती म्हणूनी मी सांगू तुम्हाला. आपण काय थोड्या देखिल्या शिर्डीस आल्यापासूनी. Unfathomable are the Leelas of Sai Baba. How many can I tell you? Haven't you seen enough since you came to Shirdi? मी तो केवळ खेडवळ, आपण शहरवासी सकळ. काय वानाव्या आपणाजवळ, लीला अकळ तयांच्या. I am just a villager, while all of you are from the cities. To what extent can I talk about his incomprehensible Leelas before you? येतो म्हणूनी घरात गेले, देवास फूलपान वाहिले. तात्काळ टोपी घालूनी आले, बोलत बैसले मजसवे. He told me that he was coming back and went inside, offered flowers etc. to the deities, put on his cap quickly, returned and sat down to talk to me. काय देवाची अतर्क्य लीला, कोण जाणेल याची कळा. अंत नाही याच्या खेळा, खेळुनी खेळा निराळा. What an amazing sport of God is this! Who can understand his ways? His deeds know no bounds. He remains aloof after making his moves. काय तुम्ही विद्येचे भोगते, एकाहुनी एक ज्ञाते. आम्हा गावढळा काय कळते, चरित्र अकळते बाबांचे. Oh, you are all seekers of knowledge, one more learned than the other. Such simpletons as we are, how can we understand Baba's incomprehensible personality? ते काय गोष्टी वार्ता न सांगती, आम्हा पाशी किमर्थ पाठविती. त्यांची करणी तेच जाणती, मानवी वृत्ती नाही ती. Could he not explain to you during the conversation what he wanted to say? Why did he send you to meet me? Only he knows the meaning of his deeds, because he is not a mortal. आलेच आता ओघावरी, गोष्ट ही मज आठवली बरी. करू वार्ता काहीतरी, वेळ साजरी करू की. Just now, while flowing with the current of these thoughts, I am reminded of a story, so let us make good use of this time by talking about it. प्रत्यक्ष आमुचे दृष्टीसमोर, कथितो येथे घडलेला प्रकार. जयामनी जैसा निर्धार, तैसा ते पार पाडिती. I will relate to you an incident which took place before my eyes. Whatever was the determination one had in mind, he saw to it that it was fulfilled. कधी कधी बाबा ही किती, मनुष्याचा अंत पाहती. भक्तिप्रेम कसास लाविती, तेव्हाच देती उपदेश. Sometimes Baba too puts a person's love and faith to severe test. He spares no means and then gives upadesh. उपदेश हा शब्द कानी पडता, स्मरली साठ्यांची गुरुचरित्र कथा. सकृत दर्शनी जणू विद्युल्लता, चमकली चित्ता माझिया. As soon as I heard the word upadesh, I was reminded of the incident about Sathe's Guru Charitra. I actually felt as if lightning had struck my mind. नसेल काही श्यामाची योजना, मशिदीतील मम चंचल मना. स्थैर्य आणावया लागी कल्पना, अघटित घटना बाबांची. Could it be that this incident about Shama had been contrived by Baba to ease my mind, which had become wayward in the masjid? This indeed was an astounding deed of Baba.